Hello everyone and welcome back again. So today I thought I'd head down to the allotment excuse me, and try and get this garlic planted out. I do already have 6 trays in the van ready to go. I'll get these in there now. I just thought I'd start the video up at home, just because whenever I'm down the allotment it seems if there's anybody there they want to come over and talk to you. I don't mind it, but when you only get 10-15 minutes here and there, you don't want to be interrupted by people talking to you all the time, and it's quite hard to film down there because as soon as somebody sees you they come over, and well, it is what it is. But anyway, these garlic, we sown these back in the end of October, beginning of November. Sold them into the multi-cell trays, and they've been in here ever since. They have, however, spent the last few nights outside, and during the days over the last week or 2 weeks I've been putting them out for a couple hours, just hardening them off, getting them used to the outdoor temperature, and they seem to be doing just fine. I was planning on keeping one tray here just to fill in any spots that we didn't have with the garlic here, which I might still do. I might just leave one tray here just in case. We can always take them back down again afterwards if not. I do also want to get the shallots down there. They're about ready to go out now as well, but I'm not going to do that today. Today we're just going to do the garlic and have a look around the allotment, because it has been quite a while since I've taken you guys down there and done anything down there myself, to be honest. It's been a good week or two since I've been down there, and I have only been there a couple of times just to do the odd little bit or drop things off. So we'll get these in the van and head down there and have a look, see what's going on, and get this garlic planted. Right, well, looks like we might be in luck. Doesn't seem to be anyone down here. So get these down, spin the camera around and give you a quick look around. Right then guys, so down at the allotment site at the moment, it's looking a bit of a mess, but we've got 2 big raised beds ready to go here. I had cleared all this part here, but as you can see, everything's coming back through. It's to be expected. Bottom here was just all like the back here, it was full of dock leaves, and I suspect I'm going to be pulling them out for quite a while. But I have cleared as much as I can out of these, and I'll just pick them out of these as and when they come. The paths I've covered in, that's a piece of old roofing felt, and these are pieces of old carpet. Got another piece of old carpet there to go on another one here, and we're going to do another raised bed along here. But for now we've got 2 pretty much ready to go. Do want to get some more compost on these, but this is where we're going to plant the garlic. So we'll get that planted in here and bring you back after that. Right, well that didn't take long, 10 minutes, and there was somebody here chatting to me. So I've emptied a bag of compost on top of here, and I'm just going to get the garlic in rows. I'd do 4 or 5 and see how far we get with that. Just going to use the rake as a bit of a straight edge. I've got 5 in each row. I have no idea how the garlic's going to do down here. Like I say, I've not grown garlic down here before. Didn't have the plot early enough last year. I haven't seen anyone else with any planted on their plot. That guy there then was saying he doesn't grow any, but he never said why. You can see the ground here, it's like clay, so hopefully by adding all this compost on top should help improve that. But this has just had spent compost from last year's potatoes and a bag of fresh compost on top now. I haven't added any fertilisers or anything like that into this. Got two in that one. Oh, put it in together. That is what I will do, is add some fish blood and bone and maybe some chicken manure pellets a bit further along down the line, but we'll see how these get on first. Duckleaf fruit, get rid of that. So that's 2 rows of 6 there. Probably get quite a few more in here. I'll get them done and bring you back. Right, that is those planted in there. Takes up about just under half of the bed, but there's 10 rows of 6 and 1 row of 3. So if I bring that other tray down with me, it'll finish this row off and give us another full row. But at the moment now, 66 garlics planted in there, and they'll look alright. I'm not going to bother watering them in because it is going to rain in a bit. So I'm thinking another row and a half of garlic in there. That'll be all of that done then. The rest of this bed can go to the shallots. Might carry it on a little bit further again if I need to and get some of the onions in there. But this bed then can be for the onions. Just have all onions in here, whole bed of onions, and then the next bed along will be cabbages, swede and the kohlrabi, and then we might do another bed again. And I wouldn't mind getting a bed along the top here, but we'll see how we get on, one bit at a time. I'm doing what I can when I can. I've got a few bags of compost there, another bag over there to go on this side. Got a bit of digging out to do first. There's a pile of dirt there that was cleared from all at the top here, but we'll work our way through it slowly.